Hi, I'm Dave from Zephyr. Today I'm going to show you how to change a flag on a Rotapole. So first, you get the key that you get supplied, unlock the chamber, and you pull that out, removing the casing. You pull on the halyard to the left which runs up the track. Now start lowering your pole. Use the smaller halyard, which just acts as a weight to pull down the bottom clip. Pop your clips on the floor out of the way for a minute. Then just get that to a level that you can reach. Right, so to fire the new flag, you slide the sleeve over the arm. As you can slide that please, Manish. And pop the cable tie around there. Pulling that nice and tight to the arm. Snip off your loose ends. Right. Now your next eyelet is here. So if you just raise that up, so that goes onto the track, you can put your halyard back in the cleat to hold that in position. And you get your next plastic eyelet, that slides into the track, and then just the same again, add another cable tie. Pulling that nice and tight. Snip your ends off again. Then same again, raise it up so that your other eyelet goes onto the track. This flag's only got 2 spaced out. If you add more, you just repeat the same process with as many as you need. Final plastic eye, this one that's got the halyard attached to it. And raise that up so that's in line with there. Slide the last one up and then attach the bottom clip to it, just like that. And you can take it. The weight will pull it up itself, so you're just guiding it, make sure the rope stays with enough tension in it. Just at the top, position. The loop on the smaller halyard. You then hook around there, in excess, back into the pole. Fix the casing back into place, just tuck in any loose halyard back up. Put your key. Locked up.